Truly a phenomenal house, 1140 Tower Road in Beverly Hills. Absolutely amazing, sits on almost 3/4 of an acre, 8 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms of absolute impeccable sophistication.
So I'm standing here on these terrific grounds down below the main house. You've got a 4,000 square foot guest house over on this side, fantastic pool right here, and then you've got in the back on something that looks like you could have a giant wedding here with a pergola in the center. So this is one of the most private, terrific areas I've seen in any homes around Beverly Hills. You got to take a look.
Here we are in the 2-story, 4,000 square foot guest house. This whole place really is impeccable, from the choice of design, the choice of the art and all the finishes. This guest house is quite phenomenal in its own right.
We'll see you next time.